I would like to get to know if I could be a part of your YouTube family. Okay, listen, if you're trying to glow up and show up as a very best version of yourself, I'm here. I got you. Okay, and I know that you're here because of the thumbnail. The thumbnail says yes. Like, this is Simon Says the Thickness. Okay, Flawless Babe says what? Let's get thick. Okay, now I know a lot of people that don't know me, they're gonna be like, oh wow, blah 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 blah. But listen, I have a proven track record, and this is how I've gained 2 inches in my butt with minimal workouts, okay, and maximum results. That's right, I said it. Minimal workouts, maximum results. Minimal workouts, maximum results. Okay, it does take a little bit longer if you're not gonna be in the gym lifting them weights really heavy and everything like that. But when I tell you my results speak for themselves, they speak volumes. Okay. So basically, before I forget, let me shout my girl out, Ebony Snow. Okay, facial scrub on the Flawless Beat. Okay, your girl does not wear makeup. I never wear makeup. 1, because it's hard to apply. 2, because I'm very impatient. And if one step goes off, I'm gonna be like, you know what? I'm done with it. I'll throw it all out. But anyway, let's get into it. So one of the main things that I did in order to get a bigger butt is increase my protein intake. Okay, so a lot of times as a vegan, I'm slacking on the protein intake. Okay, listen, I do eat the chickpeas and the tofu, but like, I don't eat as much protein as I should if I'm really in the booty building frame of mind. Okay, so taking a protein powder is definitely like the shortcut. Like, add some of this to your coffee, shake it up in the morning, take 1 scoop at night, shake it up before you go to bed, and make it do what it do. Now, with protein, it's basically the building blocks of building your muscle and retaining your muscle. Okay, so you should be consuming protein 30 minutes after your workouts. Okay, you have a 30-minute window in order to get the maximum benefits after a workout. We could debate this, we could not. I would prefer not to, but if you would like to debate me, go ahead and click it in the comments, because that's gonna boost this video up. Okay, so this is also how, like, I basically cracked the code on how to get a natural BBL is using the Juicy Bundle. The Juicy Bundle is on my website. It is the protein powder, the Get Thick pills, the soap, and the Thicker Than a Snicker cream. Now, what I did was do my little morning workout on the free workout guide that you get with all of my products. Okay. Now, some days I was feeling spicy, a little spicy, a little seasoned like Lori's. You feel me? And I put on my little weighted vest, or I incorporated weights to it, but I did not stray from the workout guide at all. And I did the workout guide 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, I added a resistance band sometimes, I added weights sometimes, but that's about it. Nothing too crazy. Okay, I wasn't deadlifting 225 pounds the way that I used to. I was not doing mad hip thrusts, like super heavy hip thrusts. I was not doing 100-pound donkey kicks on a Smith machine like I used to and trying to get gains. Listen, I'm gonna put in some pictures of me when I was in the gym lifting weights, eating the right way. Okay, listen, I was eating. Your girl was eating the protein. This was before I was vegan. All I got from that was basically a t-shirt and some nice traps. Okay, and I had abs of steel. Like, let me not even play myself. I had okay, your girl was looking good, but all those booty workouts, listen, I didn't get a booty from it. I didn't. I saw no projection. I saw minimal projection. I was not getting the booty. I had no hips. I had a very athletic physique. Okay. I was going for and I was really giving boom. I was boom. So I realized I had to regroup. Okay, I had to regroup, reformulate, figure out what worked for my particular body type, and not go based off what other people were saying. You know, even being a master trainer, going with by the book, like this is how you build a butt, this is how you get abs, this is how you get thighs, this is how your body looks proportioned, all that crap, you know. I'm not saying this crap. Listen, I pretty much had to throw it out the window and figure out what worked for me. And what worked for me ended up working for my clients. So, yeah, I took a little shortcut. So, back in 2013, that's when I created the Thicker Than the Snicker Cream. I perfected the Thicker Than the Snicker Cream. However, I perfected the formulation of the Thicker Than the Snicker Cream in 2021. And your girl has helped over 6,000 flawless babes achieve the booty of their dreams. Now, what I did was I made the 8 ounce stronger for my little test. You know, I had a little test for myself. I made the Get Thick pills stronger. Okay, these are the Get Thick pills. I take these a lot. I'm heavy on the Get Thick pills for the winter because your girl, I got like little winter sadness, not summertime sadness, but winter sadness. You know, that season of depression be hitting me like a brick. But the Get Thick pills really does help me get out that funk and, you know, make me feel like being in the land of the living. Like, it really does help. And that's because of the maca that's in here. And it has fennel geek as well. Like, boost your mood, boost your boobs, boost your booty. Okay? It's mainly for your booty. But sometimes, you know, my boobs be sitting extra perky with this. And I increased my protein intake. Like, this was like one of the main key differences of what I did that truly transformed my body. Okay? Your girl struggles with bloating sometimes, but the protein really combats that, and everything like that. So the protein and the Get Thick pills, I took those together. I use the Thicker Than a Stick cream every single day, 2 times per day, and I use the soap 2 times per day. Listen, and I incorporated the LS method. If you are not following the private Facebook group or the TikTok, you would not be familiar with the LS method. So basically, a flawless babe came up with this method, and you allow the soap, okay? You lather the soap in the shower, okay? The Get Thick soap, you lather the Get Thick soap in the shower. Let it sit on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. After that 5 to 10 minutes, you rinse and you let it air dry. Air dry, air dry, air dry, okay? So that means that you lay your wig. While it's air drying, this isn't a wig, these are micro links. You put on your makeup. I don't wear makeup. You doing your facial skin care routine, you're brushing your teeth, you doing everything like that, and you let it air dry, and then you apply the Thicker Than a Stick cream, okay? And that was a game changer. When I tell you, like, allowing it to actually sit on your skin is the best thing that you can do in order to, like, actually allow it to penetrate into your skin. I do have a product that I was going to introduce in order to make it penetrate even further into the skin, but I may wait on that. So yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did. I increased my protein intake. I utilized weights and resistance training with the workout guide, okay? And I use the Thicker Than a Sticker cream, okay? I use this religiously. Use it morning and night, morning and night, morning and night. I even applied it sometimes before I actually did my workout, okay? So morning, wake up, take a shower morning. Before I work out, applied the Thicker Than a Sticker cream, okay? And then took my night shower and then applied it before I went to bed. When I tell you it's like a game changer when you add in those little tiny things. Like, who would have thought? Well, millions of personal trainers, myself included, know that protein really does help build out your muscles. But when I tell you this protein helped me like crazy because it has the same ingredients as the Get Thick pills. It has maca, fennel geek, everything like that in it, darn quick, everything to balance out your hormones. Because listen, your girl, listen, I have excess testosterone. I know this. If I go 2-3 weeks without waxing my face, I'm gonna look like a straight up man. I'm gonna look just like my husband. He knows this about me. It was shocking. It was shocking. Like, yeah. Once we started living together, I was like, yeah, I gotta pluck my chin every single day. So your girl got extra testosterone. It's genetic. All my family members that are females really do have extra testosterone. But taking these hormone balancing things that actually increase your estrogen production and your collagen production really help balance out my hormones. Okay. Get a little bit more feminine, get a little bit more shapely, because you know, the more estrogen that you carry in your body, the more your hips are gonna fill out, the more your thighs are gonna get a little extra juicy. Okay, a little extra juicy. And you know, you gonna be a little thick in the streets. So let me show you, like I can barely fit my chair. Okay. Not a really good angle. Not really giving what it's supposed to give. But yeah. So like I said before, I do bloat quite often. So the way that you can combat bloating, if that's something that you struggle with or something that you have, I don't like to call anything a struggle. If that's some little extra that you have, got a little something extra to you, we're going to call it extra to you, because there ain't nothing out here struggle. I'm not manifesting that. Okay, if you got a little extra to you, go ahead and, you know, take your probiotics, drink your kombucha. Okay, kombucha is amazing. It has probiotics in there. You know, just be conscientious of what you eat. Sometimes, you know, when you eat excess rice and grains, it could bloat you up. Okay, sometimes bread bloats you up. Sometimes rice be attacking your internal organs. You know, sometimes it be doing that. So just be conscientious of what you consume. If you're in the process of gaining weight, okay, because I know a lot of flawless babes are. I definitely was trying to gain weight in inches on this particular journey, the juicy journey. I recommend that you do increase the amount of calories that you eat, but make sure that they are whole calories, okay? Make sure that you're eating whole foods. Like, don't go for the simple carbs, the easy carbs, okay? Simple carbs, easy carbs are like mashed potatoes, french fries, ice cream, you know, simple, easy, blah. Go for the more complex, you know, quinoa, sweet potatoes, stuff that really, you know, helps you build and not bloat. We're focused on building, not on bloating. Yeah. And I am developing a product right now on how to, like a daily product that you can take every single morning if you do have that bloating issue, because I'm not sure if I mentioned it in this video or one of the 50 million YouTube videos that I recorded before this that weren't good enough to go on the internet, about how I've been taking bitters, okay? I've been taking digestive bitters. They taste the way that they sound, okay? Let me just, digestive bitters. It is bitter, okay? It does not taste good. So I'm in the process of developing a product that is like just a little daily drink that you drink on an empty stomach to just reset your situation, okay? But how I got a bigger butt, how I gained 2 inches in my butt, simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I did the juicy bundle. Your girl did put on about 10 pounds in 1 month. Okay, so if you're trying to gain weight, the juicy bundle is for you. I put on 10 pounds in 1 month. I went from 165. No, I put on 10 pounds in 2 months. I went from 165 to 175. I'm 5'3", but my butt is 46 inches and my waist is 27 inches. So it's just stacked. I just need to wear clothes that actually, you know, reveal my body type. But I'm just here to let y'all know, if you're trying to gain weight, the Juicy Juice Bundle is for you. If you're trying to lose weight, I have other stuff to help you lose weight and decrease bloating and everything like that. But I'm here to help you glow and show up, y'all. So let's recap. What I did was increase my protein intake. Boom. I used the God Cake protein, mix it in with my coffee, or just mix it with water, or mix it with peanut butter. Whatever way I felt like taking it that day, I did that. Took that 1 time per day after my workout. And basically every single day. 30 minutes after my workout, every single day. Bow. I use the thickener and sticker cream 2 times per day. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. It works. It helps get you thick, builds up the collagen, increases estrogen production, gets you that more fullness, okay? Because, listen, it gives you the projection that you want. Like, I know a lot of flawless babes, before they meet me, they go get a BBL to get the projection, but sometimes it's not giving what it's supposed to give. This is a great tool to use after you get your BBL and to maintain your results. Or if you do not want to get a BBL, you want a natural version of it because, you know, it's a lot of money, it's dangerous, blah, blah, blah. Think of this sticker cream. It's your best friend forever. And I use the Get Thick pills, okay? 2 in the morning, 1 right before bed, boom. And of course, I use the Get Thick soap in the shower 2 times per day. Sounds like a lot, but it beats lifting 500 pounds in the gym every single week. So, yeah. When I was a master trainer, I literally was having my clients lift heavy because that's what I learned. I learned lift heavy, build up the muscle underneath to get the projection that you want, get a more toned, fit look. Okay, all that is fine and dandy, but the moment that you hurt yourself in the gym, you out of the gym for a while and you're not able to work out. Okay, so that means that all the progress that you had, because you're trying to be She-Hulk in these streets. I'm sorry, that's probably going to offend somebody. All the progress that you had in the gym will be erased the moment that you hurt yourself in the gym. Ask me how I know. Like, I've hurt myself several times in the gym. Not from me. It was from me trying to set new PRs. Okay, PRs, personal records, bodybuilding community. Y'all already know what it is. And I did not have proper equipment. I didn't have a proper person that can really spot me effectively, or I decided to do it on my own, didn't get help. Like, just don't do it that way. Work your way up. If you do choose to go the gym route and lift weights on top of using the products, you can do that. Make sure that you have a good spotter. Make sure you have a well-informed personal trainer. Make sure that you're not overextending yourself in the gym, and please make sure that you're not lifting more than 3 to 4 times per week. Like, that's just word to the wise. If you're going to be going in the gym and things like that, lifting weights, make sure that you take those simple steps in order to avoid injury. The reason why I developed my product line was because I did have some amazing gains. You know, I had abs and, you know, my butt was starting to form after years of me in the gym. But I ended up hurting myself really bad. So lost all my gains and I was very upset and I was in my little funk and I was like, what can nature do for me? Because I did look into getting a BBL. I did look into getting breast implants. I looked into everything, okay? Any type of plastic surgery that you could think of, I looked into it. And I even got consultations for a BBL. I got denied because of my daggone health. At that time, I was 110. It was 2015. I was 110. What am I expecting to do with no fat on my body? So, of course, I would get rejected. Duh. But yeah, if you're a skinny girl trying to get thicker, Juicy Juicy Bundle is for you. If you are a thick girl trying to get thicker, Juicy Juicy Bundle is for you. If you are a thick girl trying to get thicker, if you just want a little booty, and if you're a male, okay, listen. We have so many males in the Flawless Babe community. It's ridiculous, okay? Don't be out here thinking that the TheFitFineFlawless is just for women. It's for men and women. Okay, anybody trying to get a booty or snatch that waist or detox, we got you. Okay, we got you covered. Okay, boom. But anyway, y'all be blessed, stay prosperous, and remember to always stay flawless. Deuces.